Whatever you're facing right now, listen to what God wants to tell you today. Isaiah chapter 41 verse 10. So do not fear, for I am with you. Do not be dismayed, for I am your God. I will strengthen you and help you. I will uphold you with my righteous right hand. Life will test your faith. Darating talaga yung mga pagkakataong susubukin ang iyong pananampalataya. There will be days that when fear whispers that you're not strong enough, not good enough, that you cannot make it. Pero hindi ba malinaw na sinabi ni Lord, do not fear, that you are not fighting your own battle, na hindi ka nag-iisa, nakasama mo siya. Yung sa pakiramdam mo, nanghihina ka na, wala ka nang ilalakas. That is the time that His strength begins. Yung sa palagay mo, hindi mo na kaya, susuko ko na. That is the time that God is holding you in His righteous right hand. Huwag mo susukatin ng Diyos batay sa laki ng iyong problema. Instead, trusting the greatness of your God. You know, fear may knock anytime at your door, but let your faith answer. Keep praying, keep believing, keep trusting, keep walking with the Lord your God. Gentle reminder, the same God who carried you yesterday is the same God who is walking beside you today. His promises never fail. Have a blessed and a wonderful day. God bless you.